We have some spotty, very light rain or sprinkles. The roads are already beginning to dry out a bit, thankfully, for the commute. You can see some of these up here in parts of Cook County. A little bit of light rain looks like they're in Kaufman County. You can't completely rule out the need for the windshield wipers to go off a couple of times on the way into work. Pretty sunrise developing, though, over TMS and Denton County. Temperatures are in the upper 60s right now, even 70 in Louisville. So this is the mildest part of the day. We'll warm into the middle 80s for the afternoon highs around 4 o'clock this afternoon. And notice that the rain chances are very small this morning and basically what I just showed you. Very spotty, light rain or sprinkles. Nothing significant. I would say most of the day from here on out is going to be dry until we get to about 4 or 5 o'clock, and that's when we start seeing more thunderstorms developing across the area. We'll go with a 40% chance of storms. As we look at the severe weather risks today, there is an isolated risk of severe weather here in North Texas in the color of green, but notice this orange color down here along the Gulf Coast. That's where we're going to have more numerous severe thunderstorms with the enhanced risk. But here in North Texas, isolated severe storms with the main threats being damaging wind and lightning coming up later on this afternoon and this evening. Let me show you on the future sky forecast. At 4 o'clock today, temperatures in the mid-80s. A few thunderstorms beginning to develop between 4 and 8 o'clock this evening. You can see some of those storms. They will be widely scattered. I don't expect anything widespread. But if you happen to be underneath one of these storms later today, you could have the gusty winds and some brief heavy rain. The storms may continue for the evening, but then move east of us tomorrow. Tomorrow, more sunshine than even what we're expecting today. That means even warmer temperatures in the upper 80s. And by the time we get to Saturday, we're pushing 90 degrees. And it is going to be humid around here on Saturday. That means that 90 is going to feel more like 95 to 100. And on Sunday, the actual temperature around 93. It probably will feel like 100 on Sunday afternoon. But then at the same time, a cold front should be moving through Sunday. That will give us a small chance of showers and storms Sunday afternoon and Sunday night. And then as we get into next week, the air will dry out a bit, so not as humid and not as hot either, with highs in the mid to upper 80s Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday. Low temperatures should cool down into the 60s by then as well.